Hey, welcome to Anderson Avenue for another Wednesday weekly review. Sometimes Wednesday, sometimes Thursday, but today, what we got?
So today we are going to test great value Walmart brand macaroons. You can get these for like $5 at Walmart, and there are 12 in a pack. We have raspberry, coffee, lemon,
and chocolate.
chocolate, and pistachio. And there are 2 of each. Wow, they're very cheap compared to macaroons that you would get from a bakery.
Yeah.
There's your box. Here's what the packaging looks like. You get 2 of each one. Alright, what flavor are we trying first?
Raspberry.
Raspberry.
Surprising fact, 7-Eleven has good macaroons.
Yeah, we've tried 7-Eleven macaroons. You
Gas
get like
station macaroons.
3 in a pack or something. But these Walmart ones are cheaper.
I know which one's
I can't get
raspberry.
this pack.
I know which.
Alright, so Adley wants to try raspberry first. So you grab one. Alright, ready? Wait, you gotta cheers me. Cheers me. Cheers. I wish I'd kept one and ranked them. That's good. Alright, save part of it. Don't eat the whole thing, we're gonna try them all. Alright. It was good. I do feel like I've had the 7-Eleven raspberry and I like those better. But for the price, this is not bad. I give it a 6 out of 10 on raspberry macaroons.
Yeah, 6 out of 10 for me too. I agree.
A 9.10 out of 10.
Wow, 9.10 out of 10.
Let's just give it. You like raspberry?
Alright. What flavor do we want to do next?
Lemon.
Lemon.
I know it's one's lemon.
Okay, let's all try this one. Take that and pass it to Daddy.
Man, we eat all the same cookie.
That one's better. That one's a lot better than the raspberry, I think. I guess I'll give it an 7.5 out of 10.
It's good. I like lemon a lot. Lemon's one of my favorite flavors. I'm with 8 out of 10.
Okay, what do you give it, Adley?
A 4.9 out of 10.
Oh, you didn't like that one as good? Raspberry was better.
I do not like that lemon taste.
It's very
It's
strong.
sour.
It is a little sour.
It's delicious. Alright, so do we want to do chocolate, coffee, pistachio, or vanilla next? Chocolate?
Coffee.
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 Let's do coffee.
I'll smell it.
Okay. That one's good. So far that's my favorite. I give it an 8.5 out of 10.
It is very bold. Very good flavor. 7 out of 10.
What do you think, Allie?
A 7.5 out of 10.
7.5. So far your raspberry is your favorite? Yeah. Alright, pistachio, vanilla, or chocolate?
Pistachio.
Pistachio. Which one? So this one-
Chewed up cookie.
It doesn't really taste very much like pistachio to me. Kind of tastes like vanilla.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I give that one a 6.5 out of 10. What do you give it?
I think 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10?
A 7.5 out of 10.
7.5.
I've had like pistachio macarons before. Even
I mean,
at 7-Eleven,
8.5 out of 10. I mean, 8.
your ratings are all over the place. All over the place. But I've had better pistachio.
Yeah.
It
Once again,
wasn't very
I
flavored.
think the 7-Eleven pistachio is better.
And I think I've had like actual bake shops pistachio macarons, and they're better. So
All right, Allie, vanilla or chocolate? Chocolate.
it's a mystery. Well, mutants.
I like that one.
10 out of 10.
I like this one. I put it up there with the coffee,
It's really chocolate.
which I gave the coffee an 8.5. So I'm going to give this one an 8.5 too, because I think they're good. The chocolate is very fudgy. It's very chocolatey.
Yeah.
Natalie, what do you think?
A 3.3 out of 10.
Why?
What's your least favorite? You like it
It's
worse
like a brownie.
than the lemon? You like the lemon better than that one? Okay.
I like the lemon too.
I like that.
Alright, last one. Vanilla.
My low one would be the pistachio, I think. I didn't go. I don't even know what my ratings are. I'm just shouting them out. I don't even know what I ranked what.
I like that one. Did you try it yet? That one's got a very vanilla bean flavor to it. I wouldn't put it as high as the coffee or the chocolate, but it's good and it's very vanilla beany. And look, it even looks like vanilla bean. It's got the little speckles on it.
I'll go 6.5 out of 10 on that one.
I'll give that one a 7.5 out of 10.
7.5 out of 10.
I'll give that a 9.10. I mean, a 9.9 out of 10.
9.9 out of 10.
So you like the raspberry and then the vanilla?
Yeah, I like the red thing.
Okay, so my ranking is probably coffee, then chocolate, vanilla, lemon, pistachio, or I'll go raspberry pistachio. The pistachio just doesn't really taste like pistachio. Alright, what's yours? What's your favorite? Raspberry.
Raspberry's your favorite?
Then what?
And then vanilla.
Vanilla,
And then lemon.
lemon,
And then coffee.
coffee,
And then pistachio. No, wait. Lemon and then pistachio.
okay.
And then chocolate. Chocolate's my last.
Okay.
I hate the chocolate.
I don't even remember
That's
what.
shocking to me.
I ranked what because I was so excited and I just was throwing out
I
numbers.
forgot too. I just put it in an order.
After sinking it all in. And hopefully my final ranking matches up to what I actually rated. But I'll go. My favorite would be coffee. I'll go coffee,
It was good.
lemon. I'll go coffee, probably coffee, vanilla, lemon, chocolate, pistachio, raspberry. Sorry, I had to look down and remember what was what before I just
Is the
started.
raspberry
shouting.
last?
No, excuse me. Pistachio, raspberry. Pistachio last, then raspberry.
Yeah, I agree. The
Pist-
pistachio just doesn't taste like pistachio.
The
It's like a less
Raspberry was-
vanilla.
good. I like the raspberry. It was just, I'm just not gonna pick that as my favorite flavor. The pistachio was disappointing as a flavor. What? I know you love raspberry. Everybody can have their own. We live in a world where some people may go raspberry, some people may go chocolate, and it's okay. Your opinion is your opinion. People forget that in nowadays world, right? Yeah. So if you,
Stop now.
hey, you
She's
eating all
just
the
gonna,
extra cookies.
I
You're
Eat all
cheating.
these
You're
macaroons.
cheating. Tell everybody bye.
That's what's left.
The house. Tray
All right. Well,
cookies.
thanks for watching.
Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you, and we'll see you next week.
Bye. Bye.